Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Kids, today we use black color, and first we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And now we draw 2. The next one is 3. Now we draw the number of 4. Kids, now we draw 5. The number of 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw 11. The number of 12. 13. 14. 15. 'Kids, now we draw 16. And the next one is 17. 18. 19. And the last one is 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.